Hi, welcome to another show, everybody. Um, I'm kind of tired of playing app games. I miss when I could exercise and breathe more. But let's take a look at the Dow Jones. It's up 33 points today. The level is 43,461. Now let's take a look at some key stocks. So, I used to work for Honeywell, and my father did well as well, and my whole family. So we'll take a look at Honeywell, which makes many different things that people don't know about. I didn't know until I worked at the company and they told me. So $209 a share, down $2. Then let's take a look at Google. And we're going to buy some stock. Probably another video. 189, down 39 cents. Let's take a look at Walmart stock, which my friend Brad wanted to invest in. $93 a share. Well, that's pretty good. It's higher than it used to be. I remember when it was 30. And let's take a look at Ford stock. And then we'll take a look at Facebook. Ford's $9, so that could be a good buy. Facebook stock, which I think is Meta now. 668. Wow. Here, I'm going to screenshot that and use that as a post. And you can use that using the website, YouTube, or the app. So, whatever you prefer. It's your choice. And let's take a look at some Vietnam stocks. So, we'll just type in Vietnam stocks. Vietnam actually has two stock markets at least. One in Hanoi, and then the other one in Ho Chi Minh. We'll take a look at the Ho Chi Minh stock index first, which is 1303, so it's up from November, but it's still down 1.4%. Oh, it's positive now. Okay, it just went up. So then Hanoi's 238, so that's good. Let's take a look at Vina stock. Let's see if that. We'll put VN, which is abbreviation for Vietnam. This is a website that I like, finance.vitstock.vn. So let's take a look at that rate here. Then we can look at commodities, gold, gold stock here, gold price. The gold price is whatever you want it to be. Well, it's kind of interesting to take a look at the markets online because people follow that. Yeah. I want to go on the last website. So this is per troy ounce, which is bigger than a U.S. ounce. So 2790, 2900. So that's up. Silver's up to 3184. So it went up €2. So let's read that. Let's take a look at platinum. Silver is a good buy too. Platinum's 900. So there's like a cheap platinum and then an expensive platinum. I remember platinum being like 5,000 or 10,000. And silver on this one's €30. Okay, now we can take a look. Let's go shopping. So let's see if Kroger's works. Might have to turn on my VPN. Sorry about that, I have a cough. Okay, it says access is denied. So we're going to use UltraSurf VPN. And this automatically connects to like a European server, which is closer, maybe, or the same distance to Vietnam. But I just go with it because it works. So let's go Kroger's. Now Kroger's online is different than your in-store prices. If you want to know the in-store prices, you either got to visit the store, send someone to film the prices, or get the price chart from the internal server of the company, or you have to call in and ask. But Krogers.com will have a different price. So let's take a look at the price of fried chicken now. I remember when it was cheap, when it was like $4.99 for an 8-piece set. And there's different fried chicken, so there's $8.99. That's not bad. That's like normal price. That hasn't really gone up. There's like a spicy one. There's a 4-piece set, which is $5, which might be healthier. This banquet used to be very tasty, but I think now it's gotten worse. It's only like $1.50. Then there's chicken tenders, which is $6.99. Popcorn chicken tender meal with JoJo's vegetables and a biscuit. That might be more balanced. And then a banquet fried chicken frozen meal for $1.79. Hungry Man for $4.99. 5 chef piece chicken tender. And then Michelini's chicken fried rice for $1.25. Chef roasted bone chicken wings, $8.99. Home Chef cold baked chicken, $8.99. Fast Fixin' restaurant style country fried steaks with gravy. Ooh, that's good. So a lot of good choices here. All right, so we're up to the 5-minute mark. We're up to 8-minute mark. Okay, let's end the show now. So that's a little preview of krogers.com. You can order that stuff, but remember to put your zip code on there and see what choices are available. I've ordered from krogers.com. It's pretty good. It uses Instacart, so you have to use a card, but it's worth it. All right, take care, everybody. We'll see you later, and please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Then rest after you've done one video. All right, take care, everybody. God bless you all, and God help you and heal you.